Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I've got a method to share with you that you can get started with today. You can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. You don't need any money, you don't need any experience, skills, a website, an email list. You can basically do this with nothing. It's absolutely free to get started with. So what I will do is I'll show you exactly how this method works. We'll go over this step by step. I'll then share with you why 95% of people fail with this method and how you will not fail. And then once we've gone over all of that, I'll then give you some free training that you can go and take this to the next level. So absolutely everything is free. So if you are wanting to make money online, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this, where to go, what you need to do, and ultimately how to set everything up. So let's jump into this video and I'll walk you through everything step by step and how it all works. So how are we going to make money online? Well, we're going to do this by copy and pasting links, and we're going to be giving this something away for free, something of value for free. So what are we going to be giving away? So let me come over here and I'll show you this. Now, this here is over on ClickFunnels. Now, before you click off and you think, well, ClickFunnels isn't free. It is free if you're an affiliate. So we're not talking about signing up to ClickFunnels and going and creating funnels and sales and websites. We're talking about becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate, and you can sign up for to be an affiliate for free. I'll drop a link to this below. Feel free to go ahead and check it out, but you absolutely can get started with this. So what are you going to be giving away? So this here is just one of the products that you can give away on ClickFunnels, and you can earn commissions. So you see this product here, this is the product that you'll be giving away. It's called .com Secrets, and it's a book. And you see here, it's free, and you will earn $1. So all that happens here is you give this away for free, and then somebody has to pay shipping, and then you will earn $1 for this. Now you might be thinking, well, $1 is not a lot of money, and it's not. However, see this here. This is what is known as the front end product. So somebody comes in and they purchase this, and then what happens is ClickFunnels, the company here, they will follow up on your behalf, and they will then try and get the customer to get this product, this one, and this one. But this doesn't all happen instantly. You know, some of these online products, people will buy something and then you get upsell. It doesn't happen like this. This is the front end book. So somebody gets this, a couple of days later, the ClickFunnels sales team and basically an autoresponder will start following up on your behalf. And if anybody goes ahead and purchases any of these products here, then you earn an affiliate commission. And as you can see on here, you earn 40% commission of this here. So in total, you could hypothetically earn $967 from sending people over to a free book. And look, this is just one of the free books. There's a couple more, and I'll show you those in a second. So you see here, this is the potential of earning from this. Are you going to earn this for every single person you send over? No, you're not. Are you going to earn money from everybody you send over to this? No, you're not. But you are going to earn money if you're consistent with this. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I will give you free training if you want to go ahead and turn this into a proper online business, because hundreds and thousands of people are using this method to make money online. I'm using this method to make money online, and I will show you exactly how you can do this. So in this example here, this .com Secrets, this here is known as the sales funnel. Okay, so you send people over to this page here, and let me show you what this page looks like. So this here is the page. So this is where you would send traffic to, and don't worry, because we'll get to the traffic part, and that's the part that everybody struggles with, but I'll show you how to do that. So basically, you sign up to ClickFunnels as an affiliate for free. You then go ahead and you get your link from over here. You get your link for this, and then you send people over to this page here. And you see there's a video on here. It's a pretty good sales page, to be fair. It goes over what's included, what's not included on here. There's testimonials on here. There's feedback on this book from Amazon. And this book is absolutely awesome. I highly recommend, if you haven't read this book and you're interested in making money online, go ahead and get this. Yeah, get it from me for $1, and then I'll get you in the funnel. But all joking aside, you can go ahead and purchase this on Amazon or wherever. It's a really good book, and there's lots of information in here. So this is the sales page, and this is where you'll be sending people over to. So you can see it's a very professional looking sales book. So it's a very professional looking sales page, and the content in the book is absolutely awesome. It genuinely is. So if I come up here, so this here is the sales page of where you would be sending people into, and they're literally, they can watch this video over here, and basically they go ahead, put in their information over here and get the book, and you earn a commission. Pretty simple stuff. Now, there's many more other products over in ClickFunnels that you can use. There's another one here. This is we can earn $927 on this funnel. So this one's not as expensive as the .com secrets because this one's 967. But again, it's just another option for you. And there's additional products that you can market within ClickFunnels. But when you're first getting started, this is a great one because you can give this away for free. Now, there's some additional things over on ClickFunnels. So if you scroll down here, look, they give you everything you need to be successful with this. They give you Facebook posts, they give you email swipes, banner ads, even Facebook ads. There's lots more stuff on here, but look at this. Facebook posts you can share and promote to users. So if you scroll down here, you see all of these. You can go ahead and share any of these over on your Facebook page. And look, step-by-step instructions. Click on the images below. They're linked directly to Facebook. Click share on the post and share it to your timeline. Tells you exactly what you need to do. So you've already got pre-done templates on here for you. If you've got an email list or you want to start emailing people, there's swipe copy on here, so you can go ahead and use this. Look, you've got all of your headlines, you've got your body. Scroll further down the page, we've got banners, we've got large banners, we've got Facebook ads, and create your own banners. They're basically giving you all of the tools possible to be successful with this. The only thing that they're not really including on here is the traffic part, but don't worry because I have got the traffic part covered for you, and I'm going to give you the free training, and this is proper in-depth training. And if you're serious about making money online, then I highly recommend you go ahead and take that training because it's very in-depth, it's free, and it will show you exactly how to get everything up and running. Now, if we come up here, let's go over some really simple methods of how you can drive traffic, even if you just start, even if you've never done this before and you don't have a bloody clue how to do this. Let me share some tips with you. So how would you drive traffic to this? So you've signed up to ClickFunnels for free. You've gone ahead and you found these products that you want to share. So this one here. This is the page where we're going to be sending people over to this. So how do you do it? Well, the first thing is don't just go onto Facebook and start spamming your link everywhere like many people do, because it doesn't work and you'll feel frustrated and angry because, you know, lots of people say, oh, it's really simple, go on Facebook, just share a post, you know, share it with your friends and family and you'll make money. You won't. You'll look like an idiot in half the time, because when I see people doing this, I know that they're not making money online. You can just tell and you can just sense it straight away. So please don't go down that route where you're tagging all your friends and family about this book that you're making money with, because people can see through that. But let's look at doing this properly. So what is this book here? So this is a simple process that any company can use basically to drive traffic, conversions and sales online. So anyone who has an online business, a website, a blog, sales courses, affiliate products, anything, basically anyone who wants to get traffic over to their platform. And when I talk about traffic, I mean website traffic and visitors. So who could use that? Well, who couldn't basically? But we're going to be looking for people who are actively looking for this. So if you did want to go down the Facebook group, well, you could go and find Facebook groups and join those groups and chat to people and, you know, just be honest, be yourself. Don't go in there with the sales pitch, go in there of the angle of helping people, and you will earn a lot more money from doing so. So you can go and join Facebook groups and, you know, share content with them and answer questions and say, you know, this book over here, I learned a lot from it. And then you drop your link that way. Another thing that you can do is you can go on Twitter and share content on Twitter. But these sorts of platforms here, whilst these are good, personally I like to focus on what is known as evergreen traffic. And what that means is you create content today, a bit like this YouTube video. I'm creating this YouTube video, I'm going to put it onto YouTube, and this will still be around in 6 months, a year, 2 years time, and it will be driving traffic over to this over to the ClickFunnels over here. So evergreen traffic is the best way to market online, because you do the work once and you get people going over there all the time. Now there's a number of platforms that you can use for evergreen traffic. Now a really simple one is this one over here, and it's called Quora. Now I'm lying, I don't use Quora myself anymore. I outsource it, so I pay someone to do this part for me, but I used to do this myself. So how does this work? So you come over to Quora, which is free, and you see up here this search bar. All I've done here is I've typed in how to improve traffic to a website. So this question here is related to this book over here, which is about driving traffic. So if we go back over to Quora here, you can see this here is a question that somebody has asked on the platform. This is a question. This is a all of these here are questions that people are asking regarding traffic. So if someone's gone on Quora and taken the time to ask a question about how can they increase traffic to their website and other suggestions, do you think this free book over here would be relevant to them? Yes, absolutely. And not only over on Quora is this a great way to find people who are looking for this product. Well, this is evergreen content because you go ahead, you do the answer, and then that stays on the platform until until it either gets deleted or taken down, basically. So I've just gone into here. So how do I increase traffic to my website? We're going to go over here and have a look at this. So you can see on here, this is the question that somebody's asked. These are the categories that it's in. And if I scroll down here, you can see people have answered these questions. So 15 people have answered this question. Now, if I scroll down here, you look at this. This was in 2017. Yet 2 years later, it's still showing up. It's still on my feed when I'm coming into Quora, and people are taking the time to answer these questions. And look, link here. They're sending them over to this website here, this one here. They're sending people from Quora over to different platforms, and this is exactly how this method works. Now you can see on here, as you scroll down the page, you will also get related questions. So you see these questions here, you go ahead and you answer these, and on the right hand side over here, look at this, related questions, more questions related to the original search term. So you go into these questions and you answer them, and you drop a link to that product that you're marketing. Now look, this works. It works in any niche. It doesn't just work with ClickFunnels, but this is a great way to do this. Now if I scroll down here, let me click on more. You can see some people do short answers, some people do long answers, and within these you will put a link basically over to a product or service that you're recommending. Now I know some of you will say, well no, you can't do that because Quora doesn't like that. Well, they do. They're not bothered as long as you're not spamming. And what I mean by that is, let me go and show you this. I'm going to go over to Quora here, and let me just go on to stats, because I've not shared content on Quora for a long time. So you can see on here, in the last 30 days, these are answers here. These were questions, sorry, and I've answered these questions. And you can see in the last 30 days, the answers I have given have received over 1,000 views from these answers over here. Now let me go ahead and show you this. So how do I make money using Steemit? Somebody asked this question. I answered this question on the 25th of September, so over a year ago. And let me scroll down here and show you this. Look, where's this going? This is going over to my blog and over to my Steemit course. So if I scroll further down here, we've got more links on here. And again, I'm sure, look, again, how to make money using Steemit. And then look at this, I've also released a full course on Steemit. So in that one answer there, I've got 4 links in there. I've got an affiliate link over to Udemy, I've got a link over to my blog, and this was done over a year ago. See, it was done over a year ago, and yet in the last 30 days, this here has been my most popular answer. It's had 235 views from content that I answered over a year ago. So I hope you're starting to understand the potential with Quora, because it's just an awesome platform to use. You can go ahead and type in one search question, and then you'll get related questions. And you can, honestly, I used to spend, when I was doing this, I would go ahead and answer a question, then find a related question, and just go down that route here. But Quora is a great platform for creating evergreen content. Another platform that you can use is YouTube, but I know not many people are keen on that. You can also go over to many platforms like Pinterest. You can create pins on Pinterest and put them on Pinterest and drive traffic. And again, it's evergreen, so do the work once and it will bring you in traffic. So this here is kind of how this method works. You find a product, so in this example we've got the ClickFunnels free book. We go ahead, we create content, and we share that link on the internet basically, and focus on evergreen platforms. Now I said to you at the beginning, if you watch it till the end, I'll give you some free training. Now look, this training here, this is proper in-depth training. This isn't like a 2 or 3 day course. Let me go ahead and show you this. This here, it's 100 days free training. So you can see this is 100 days to turn this hobby into your full-time career. How much is this? It's free. You can go ahead and take this. So if you really want to make money online, go ahead and check out the link down below. It will take you over to this page here, and it will show you exactly what's included in this. This is called the Affiliate Bootcamp. It will go over what I've covered very briefly, but it goes into stuff in a lot more depth. And not only does it go into that in a lot more depth, if you scroll down here, you can see some of the additional stuff on here. You've got people here who have gone through the affiliate sales camp. You've got everything that's included in this. And if we scroll further down here, look, you've also got interviews with other people on here. So these are people who have been very successful using this platform, this ClickFunnels platform, and how to do this. And you can see these are just some of the people who you will be learning from in this free training. So there's lots and lots of people on here. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. But if you're serious about making money online and working from home, then this free training will show you how to do it. And it's 100 days. So it's not just, it's not theory. This is proven. This is like Billy Jean, he is a huge online marketer. He will show you, look at this, how to demonstrate your map and guide your audience straight to their destination. We've also got other people on here. We've got Spencer. I know Spencer, he's a really big affiliate with ClickFunnels, and look, all these people on here. You'll get training and online videos and PDFs. There's so much included in this training, and it's free. So feel free to go ahead and check that out. The link is down below. But that is today's video. You go ahead, you go over to ClickFunnels, you create a free affiliate account. That's the key point here. We're not signing up to ClickFunnels, we're creating a free affiliate account. We then go ahead, we find the product that we want to promote, this one here. We then get our affiliate link, and then we go ahead and share that content and drive people over to this sales page here. And that's it. And you can share your affiliate link on Quora, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, blogging. There's hundreds of different ways that you can do this. And if you want to do it properly, go ahead and join the affiliate bootcamp. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.